Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active4 Pro, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find proper option, which is in the notifications. So do not go to the battery section, simply tap on the notifications and here tap on advanced settings, which is at the bottom of the list. And as you can see here, we've got the option for the battery percentage. In my case it is turned on. If you've got it turned off, just tap on the switcher and the percentage will immediately appear next to the battery icon. Of course you can turn it off the same way. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.